The word even is flexible and can mean different things based on where it's used. Let me give you a few examples. 1. Equal or balanced. The teams are even, each with 3 wins and 3 losses. Please divide the cookies even among the 4 of you. Make sure the distribution of tasks is even among the group members. The seesaw is designed to stay even when both sides have the same weight. Let's split the costs even between the 2 of us. The classroom has an even number of desks on each side. The playing field is even, giving both teams an equal chance. Ensure that the workload is even across all team members. 2. Surprising or unexpected. She remembered my birthday, even though I didn't remind her. He solved the complex puzzle easily. It was even more surprising because he's only 5. They completed the project ahead of schedule, and that was even better than we hoped for. I expected a thank you, but she even brought me a gift. It was raining, but she even went for a run in the park. I can't believe he even noticed the small changes I made. The exam was challenging, but she answered all the questions correctly. That was even more impressive. I thought the meeting would be short, but it lasted 2 hours, even longer than usual. 3. Intensification or emphasis. The sun was so hot that even the shade provided little relief. The excitement was palpable. Even the adults couldn't contain their enthusiasm. Even a small act of kindness can make a significant impact on someone's day. The concert was so loud that even with earplugs, it was uncomfortable. The storm was so intense that even seasoned sailors were uneasy. Even a small mistake in the calculations can lead to significant errors. 4. Stress or emphasis on specifics. I told you not to make even the smallest noise during the presentation. She likes all kinds of music, even the most unconventional genres. He was clear about not making even the tiniest alteration to the design. She appreciates every donation. Even the smallest contributions make a difference. I asked for your help, and I meant not to change even the slightest detail. We want to consider every possibility, even the most unlikely scenarios. The instructions were specific. Don't include even the smallest unnecessary details. She's a perfectionist. She wants everything to be just right, even the minor details. 5. Contrast or concession. She is strict, but even so, she's fair in her decisions. He's young, but even so, he's accomplished a lot in his career. It's a small car, but even with 4 passengers, it's comfortable. They lost the game, but even in defeat, they played exceptionally well. The movie was long, but even so, it kept my attention from start to finish. She's introverted, but even so, she enjoys socializing occasionally. The task is challenging, but even with difficulties, we can overcome them. The coffee is bitter, but even so, people seem to love it.